Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Melvin C.C. Valenzuela podcast, where we explore real-world strategies for real-life success. I'm Melvin C.C. Valenzuela, and I'm so glad you're joining me today in this episode. We're building a community of forward thinkers here, and I'm excited to have you be a part of it as we delve into our next topic. Hello at welcome sa Melvin C.C. Valenzuela podcast. Ako si Melvin C.C. Valenzuela, ang inyong host at author ng The Security Mindset, Thriving in Today's Security Landscape. Super excited ako na makasama kayo today para pag-usapan ng isang bagay na crucial para sa ating lahat. Security. Hindi lang to basta buzzword, it's a way of life at impact nito sa bawat